Finally, Queenstown. Breakfast time. I just came back from cycling. It was pretty good. Now heading off to Queenstown Hill for sunset. It's like 500 meters up, but it should be all right. Just gotta pack water and some snacks and let's go. Pretty good. It's kind of like home. Forest, the stairs, up, up, up. Hi.
Hi.
Pretty good checkpoint. People chilling. Amazing view. Haha. So great. Slowly getting exhausting. Woo. Yeah, almost there. It's just about 6 a.m. in the morning. I had to get up very early. I'm still fucking tired, but I'm having a bus in an hour to there now. The hike yesterday to Queenstown Hill was pretty good. It was like 500 meters in elevation, something like that. So it wasn't terrible. Took me like 40 minutes. Yeah, I should have just stayed like 10-20 more minutes because like there's an amazing sunset and I just left a little bit too early, but whatever. I'm currently thinking of like maybe doing a skydive when I get back to Queenstown. I'm still a bit scared, but yeah, it should be alright.
Thank you all so much for being on time for the coach this morning. Some people turned up an hour early. Oops, forgot that and didn't find out the clocks went back, but never mind. So Lake Wakatibu is New Zealand's third biggest lake by surface area. It is the longest lake in New Zealand, 82 kilometers long from one end to the other.
Alright, there we are. Tiano. It's pretty good. It's a big lake. It's a pretty quiet town. It's pretty chill. Really like it. It's good to wind down, especially after Sydney. Tomorrow I'm gonna do the sunrise kayak tour in Milford Sound. I hope the weather's gonna be good. The forecast is so like I'm not sure, but it should be all right. Day after I'm gonna start Kepler track 4 days. So like, yeah, I'm excited. It's gonna be great. I'm tired. Heading up to Milford Sound, kayak tour, finally. Waiting for the bus. Someone told me it's like the most beautiful drive in the world, like getting there. So yeah, it's gonna be exciting. What's that called? Mirror Lakes.
Mirror Lakes.
Nice.
That's one there. Some dry bags. You can have that one. Help yourself to a dry bag. Stuff on the PFD days.
Heading off. Woohoo!
Right, what we'll do, team, is we will kayak down this way. This is called the lead down here, and then we'll kind of be out in the main part of the fjord. Hold on to the person's spray skirt next to us, okay?
What a scenery.
Beautiful. I get enough of this.
I could live here. It's amazing. Fuck! There's so much water! Ah! Alright, so Milford Sound verdict. It was amazing. Fuck. Like, it was a bit fresh, but it was alright. Got my butt wet because there was a big wave and like there was a lot of water sprinkling inside, but whatever. So tomorrow I'm gonna have a rest day, just chilling out, stocking up on food, although I think I have everything. Dry my clothes. And then yeah, the day after gonna head off for a Kepler track. I'm super excited. It's not that far, it's like 60 kilometers and probably doable in 2 days, but all cool.